When we talk of exports, we always mean goods exports without saying that explicitly. It should always be said goods exports, because there are also service exports. The US is by far the number one in service exports and has a huge plus, not a deficit. High tariffs ultimately leads to unintended consequences. The worst thing is uncertainty. If people are uncertain what happens in the next few months, in the next few years, they simply wait. They don't decide, they don't invest. And that is a factor which really can mean trouble for the global economy. And one of the big problems with short-term tariffs is that they will destroy the global value chain. German companies like BMW assemble cars in the United States. They ship many parts to the United States. And the same is true for Apple. When Apple makes its iPhones in China, many parts come from other countries, and then the iPhones have to be re-exported. That's why Trump already exempted them, because that would destroy Apple's iPhone business. So practically all economists agree that high tariffs impede the growth of the economy. That applies to the global economy, and it also applies to the US. We have seen in history that similar tariffs did huge damage to the global economy. The smooth tariff introduced in 1930 led to a decline in global trade from 1929 to 1934 by 66%. It was disastrous for the global economy, and I hope this doesn't happen.